Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to freeze your location on Life360 so your real-time updates stop without logging out or deleting the app. Start by going to your phone settings. Now tap the Apps and Notifications button and choose Life360 application. Tap on Permissions and then Location. Now change it from allow all the time to don't allow or ask every time. This immediately pauses location updates inside the application. You can also turn on the battery saver mode. Which may pause background location tracking. Some users even use GPS spoofing apps, but be aware this may violate Life360 policies. Life360 will show your location as location paused or no network to other circle members, so they will know it's not updating, but it won't show your exact whereabouts. And that's how you freeze your location in Life360 without uninstalling the app. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more smart tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.